Okay, so this is Gigabyte X99-UD5 Wi-Fi i7-6900k 8-core 60. Okay, so this is a Sapphire Radeon R9 280. I got one NVMe and also one SATA SSD. Up and running so nicely. The computer sleeps like it never turned on. Amazing. Everything is off. Now let's wake it up. The USB is running. Beautiful. So after wake, all the USB ports are connected and devices are also turned on. It's amazing. So the power management works perfectly too. The speed steps and everything. Network. We have both NetTisk, actually all three of them, four of them. Intel is working. This is the internal Intel. This is the external NetTisk. Let's see if this one works. AirDrop. I don't think so. The Intel will not work with the AirDrop, even though it said it's hand-off supported, but it will work with everything else. Okay, so the Bluetooth on this AC-7260 is working, so we can pair. That is the network. It's a beautiful system. The audio card on this one is the 10EC900, which is Realtek ALC 1150. If we use the layout ID 5, we will get the sound. So the sound now is actually, I have the headphone on, and in the back I can put the speakers. Whenever I put the plug in the headphones, the speaker is out. And they also have digital out because I'm using a HDMI for my display. So it works nicely. Okay, so the YouTube is working. So if the video is working, that means everything else is good. The series of videos for this particular desktop is how to Hackintosh or to build or to choose a desktop that can install Big Sur perfectly. Perfectly means that you have Ethernet, you have Wi-Fi, and you can AirDrop. So the next one I'm going to get is the DW1820A PCIe for this desktop so I can AirDrop. You can actually use the photo and connect your iPhone, and then you can import it in there. Okay? But I don't want to do that. I want to AirDrop sometimes. Networking has to work with everything, especially Ethernet. For iMessage to work, the EN0 must be built in, and whatever else is next, EN1, EN2, is to be able to sleep and wake perfectly, just like this one. When it's really sleep, it's like it never turned on. Everything is off, not even a light on it. The graphic cards to choose, either if you buy a desktop, if you use the Intel graphic card that is supported, or if you use the external graphic cards, choose the one that have full acceleration. The VRAM of the card, like this one, is gigabyte memory, so this is full acceleration. So don't buy anything that is not supported with Big Sur. So you have display, you can sleep, and you can do the power nap, And you have Bluetooth. The sound has to be supported. You have to be able to do iMessage, sound, display, AirDrop, sleep, wake. That will be a perfect MacBook Pro or Mac Pro. Okay, I love this Big Sur and this computer.